Just like your skin needs serums to treat acne, face pores or spots, same like there are few serums which are specified for your hairs. They are responsible for their strength, growth and nourishment and helps to treat many hair problems. Let's go through each one by one. Biotin is very important for your hairs as it helps to convert the eaten food into energy to produce keratin, an essential protein for hair structure and strength. Biotin Hair Growth Serum provides nutrition to the hair roots, creating a better scalp environment for stronger hair growth. Nutrients in Biotin Serum nourish and protect the hairs and reduce splitting, breakage and hair loss. Apply 2 to 3 drops of this serum on your wet hairs and massage with your fingers until absorbed. Leave for 3 to 4 hours or overnight before hair wash and you would see the results in few weeks. As you know, vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, so use of vitamin E serum gives healthy hair growth by reducing oxidative stress and free radicals. It protects against hair loss by blocking an overactive hormone, dihydrotestosterone, also balances the oil production, giving moisture and natural shine to the hairs. Apply few drops of vitamin E serum on your scalp and massage well for 2 to 3 minutes. After leaving for an hour, you can wash your hairs. Another antioxidant that maintains the scalp health, vitamin C hair serum has a main role in collagen production. And don't forget the benefits of collagen for your hairs. All types of hairs can get benefit from this, but the hairs that are dry, weak or fragile especially need this vitamin C serum. Take few drops, rub them between your palms and apply on your damp or dry hairs. Keep massaging until it's transferred from your hands to hairs, but do not leave for long as it would make your hairs oily or greasy. After that, you can go for hair wash. So that's how to use these hair growth serums at home.